Hey there, I'm Ryan, the founder of Rise Plugins, and today I want to show you how you can add a really cool before and after slider on your Showit website. The cool thing about this slider is that it works with vertical images as well, and you can add multiple sliders to one Showit page. Now, you don't need to know any code to do this. I've written all the code for you, but I want to show you how you can add the code to your Showit website. So the first thing that we need to do in Showit is actually add an embed code box. Now you can resize this to whatever size you want. You can also resize this after you've added all of the code. The first code that we're going to add is the HTML and CSS. So this can be found in the blog post. Here's the HTML, and this is where we are going to add our image URLs. This is the before image URL, and this is the after image URL. So we need to get those image URLs. Let's go ahead and click on Save, and then Site and Media Library. I have a few images uploaded already. This is my before image. It's a black and white image. If I click on the image, you'll see this link icon. Go ahead and click that little link icon, and it's going to copy the image URL. Now let's go back to our embed code box, and we're going to replace this text that says before image URL and paste the actual image URL. And we're going to do the same thing for our after image URL. So let's go to our media library and click the link icon, double click the embed code box, and replace the after image URL. Let's hit save. And the next thing we need to do is add our JavaScript. To add the JavaScript, all you'll need to do is click the page tab and then click the page title. And you'll see under advanced settings, you'll see inline JavaScript. Go ahead and click on that and paste the JavaScript from the blog post. Now hit save. And then what we can do is hit preview and open this up. And you can see that the slider works perfectly. Now let's say we want to also add a vertical slider to this page as well. What we're going to do is we're going to add another embed code box, and then we're going to resize it. And let's add our HTML and CSS. Let's hit save and grab our before and after links. Go to the media library. Here's my before vertical image. I'm going to replace this text before image URL with the actual URL. Hit save. Let's grab our after image, and we're going to replace after image URL and hit save. And we've already added the JavaScript to the page, so this is going to work as well. So let's hit preview. And now if I refresh, you'll see the vertical version as well. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to reach out. Thanks. Have a great day.